What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the problem when the drag to fill auto handle isn't working in Microsoft Excel. This feature is crucial for quickly copying cell contents, such as formulas and data, across multiple cells. It can be frustrating when this function doesn't work, but I guide you through the steps to resolve it. One common issue could be with Excel's calculating settings, which affect how formulas are processed. To verify this, go to the Formulas tab on the ribbon and click on Calculation Options inside the Calculations group. Make sure that Automatic is selected. If it's set to Manual, Excel won't automatically calculate or fill formulas when you drag to extend them. Switching this to Automatic ensures that Excel processes any changes as you make them. If adjusting the calculation options doesn't resolve the problem, the issue might be with Excel's options themselves. To verify this, click on the File tab and select Options. In the Excel Options dialog box, go to the Advanced section. Under the Editing options, make sure that the checkbox for Enable Fill Handle and Cell Drag and Drop is ticked. This setting allows the fill handle to appear when you select cells in Excel. After making sure this option is enabled, click on OK to save your changes. Now, try to drag the fill handle again. You should see that when you select a cell or a range of cells, the cursor changes to a small square at the bottom right corner of the selection. Clicking and dragging this square should now correctly copy the contents or extend the series of selected cells. This simple fix can save you a lot of time and ensure that your workflow in Excel is efficient. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.